What's going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a New Balance 990 V3 Patta. Let's get into it. You're gonna start out with this box. This nice bright green box. You got your all green. You got Patta right here on top of the box. This side of the box right here, the front of the box has what the bottom of the box is. Side of the box still says Patta New Balance. Can't really see it in there. It's embossed inside the box. On this side, you just got your New Balance, and then right here on the side, it just says Patta times New Balance, made in the USA for over 75 years. I don't know if y'all can really see it. It's kind of hard to see, but that's on the box. That's pretty much it for the outside of the box. As you can see, it's all lime green, which is very bright. Let's go ahead and get to the inside of the box. And as we can see, you got your top of the box right here. It says made in the US with over 75 years. I'm going to put that right there in case y'all want to read that. You got your stamp of approval. No stamp on the top of it of approval. Inside the box, you got this normal tissue paper right here. That's different than normal tissue paper. It says Patta New Balance, and then it says family right here on the tissue paper. So that's pretty nice tissue right here, like the little tissue paper that they had on the inside of the box. That's pretty much it going on for the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the New Balance 990 V3 Patta. Alright, first of all, I'm just going to start off by saying this is my first 990 V3 style for New Balance. I have plenty of different other styles, but this is my first time getting this style, and I can say, man, this won't be my last time getting this one. I really like it. I love the materials they have on here, very nice materials, but as we all know, New Balance always have very nice materials, so nothing different with these, but this is a collaboration with Patta, as we all know. I know these came out, they came back out in September 30th, came out on the Patta website. On there, they retail for $250. I thought that was just too high for these, especially since I haven't had one in the collection, so I passed. But then they began to come out on newbalance.com, and then they came out some more other retailers. I was able to get these off of Undefeated for the price that they retail for $220, what I thought was a little bit more cheaper, a little bit more better, reasonable for me to want to pay. So I went ahead and just jumped the gun on them. I see it wasn't too many people going for them. They were sitting, which is a good thing. A lot of things are sitting right now, and I'm loving it. So appreciate everybody for slipping on these, because this right here is a very nice shoe. So let's go ahead and get to the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, we got this all kind of an olive suede going up on the upper of the shoe right here. Very nice quality of your suede right here. You got this I would say it's like a gray silverish color, but if you look at it, it depends on which way the light hits it, because it can also look olive also, but I would say it's like a silver tannish looking color right here on the top of the toe on this mesh. You got this nice bright green right here, like a lime, well, not like a lime, but like a yeah, I would say lime green. I like the way it just pops on the shoe. It's different. I think that's why a lot of people pass on these, just because of those hints of that lime bright green right there. But to me, that brings the shoe out. I like it. It looks different. So of course, you know me, I love things that are different. So I like that part of the shoe, and it's right here on the side. We're gonna go back to the front of the toe. We got a nice olive suede material right here on the front of the toe of the shoe. You got your NB right here on the front. In this gray color right here. Going to the side of the shoe, you got that N right here embossed on the side with that, I would say with that reflective N, because it looked like it's kind of reflective. If you did go outside or run in the dark, you'd be able to see that reflection on there. Coming to the side, you still got that right here. You got the end cap right here on the side, with the shoe with the this rubber part right here for running, because as we all know, New Balance are running shoes. Coming to the back of the shoe, you got New Balance right here on the back of the heel with that little splash speckled dots on the back of the heel of that. It's on the gray, and then you got those speckles on the back. I like that, very different. You got the MP right here on the back for Patta. Then you got your Made in USA right here on top of the heel, also in that gray reflective material. Also, going to the inside of the shoe, you got New Balance, Patta, and it's a Heritage 990 V3 collection. I think that's very nice. I like the way they had that on the inside of the shoe, nothing on the back of the tongue. Going back to the front of the shoe right here, you got the green shoelaces, olive green shoelaces, and yes, they did come with extra laces, and I like that. I like shoes that come with extra laces. Just something about it makes it the value of my buck for paying for a shoe, and they still give me an extra pair of laces. I love extra laces, so these did come with an extra pair. As you can see right here on the front, you got it says control, optimal control right here, and it's like reflective material on the front of the tag right here of the shoe, coming all the way up to the tongue of the shoe. You got your New Balance right there, USA, right here on the top of the tongue of the shoe, and it's like a silver material, and I like the way it's like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I love the reflection. It's like the whole shoe got like reflectors all on it. I think that's very nice. It came with this tag right here. You got your EMB right here on the tag. On the back of it, it just says New Balance made, contains domestic value of 70% or more, makes up a limited portion of New Balance US sales. New Balance made in USA. So, I mean, as we all know, these are made in USA. So, the quality to me is always better when it's made in the USA. Then right here on the side, you got this Patta right here embossed on the side of the shoe right here in this silver color. Going to the bottom, you got the all gray and black bottom, New Balance on the bottom, and then it says endurance. So as we all know, like I said, it's a running shoe, so you can always run in these. But to me, I just like them for the style. It's just a very nice shoe. Overall, very nice shoe, very clean. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them? Or did you pass on them? Or do you even like the 990 V3 model? Like I said, this was my first one, and it won't be my last because I actually like them. Love the way it feel on foot. Very comfy. Nice, comfortable room on the front of the toe. I would go with a lot of people with size to half size down. Me, I went true to size. Got my normal size and they fit just fine. But I could have one and a half a size down and I would have been fine also. So if you have a narrow foot, you can go true to size, or you can go half a size down and you should be good to go. But if you have a wide foot, I would say stick to true to size, or you may even want to go half a size up. But overall, clean shoe, very nice shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about these. This was a right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. It looked the same as that way. As you can see, I didn't lace this one up because it came unlaced like this. So it's pretty much the same. You got the whole olive upper with the grays and the lime greens, and then that mesh material on top. New Balance USA right here on the tongue. Still got that same tab right here, the end on the side with the silver, and then it's like kind of a brownish olive looking color on the side. Also, you got those silver eyelets right here on the side, and pretty much the same on the inside. You got New Balance pattern on the inside of the shoe, bottom all black and gray. And then, like I said, it did come with extra laces, so they came with these like a khaki material color lace. I like these. I think they're different. I'm probably going to keep the green ones in though, because I think the green ones bring them out just a little bit tad more. But if I want to switch it up, I could always switch to these, and I think it'd be nice also. This is a more clean, subtle look, and this is just more of a have a more pop just because they're green. But overall, clean shoe, very nice shoe. Love this collection, Patta and New Balance. This one was made for the family, as they said. Keep your family close. That was the motto for this shoe. These came out in men's adult sizes, kid sizes, and toddlers. This was the first time that New Balance 990 and Patta came out with kid sizes. They usually just have adult sizes, so this was the first time they had kid sizes. So these came in kid sizes, whole family size running these. Overall clean shoe, very nice. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This is the New Balance and Patta collaboration on the 990 V3. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about these. And that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.